on the whopper plopper. Yeah. A big one, but not bad. Nice little guy to start the morning. First fish of the day. A little pound and a half. I caught one already. My whopper plopper's top water. He's coming at me. Oh! Unbelievable. Broke in two. Oh, I got a nice little crappie. That's a nice one. Yeah. Gonna let this little guy go. Fishing the pads. Fish are biting this morning. Upper. Caught a crappie, caught a bass, lost 2 bass. There's another one. Down. Get out of the weeds. Oh, I got a big one here. Really. Nice one. Oh, got him. Yeah, it's a nice one. Yeah, 2-pounder. It's pretty nice. What a nice one. She's a big pike. Get me wet! Hey, 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 hey! Not a bad size. Yeah, she's a nice one. Got a big beauty. Yeah, it's a good one. Gotcha. Nice little bass. Still, he's pretty nice. Yeah. Hooked up. On, baby. Yeah, that's a 2-pounder for sure. Got a big. Yeah. Yeah, it's a little baby. It's a little guy. Off you go.